So today's topic is electrostatic potential due to a point charge. So electrostatic potential அப்படிங்கிறப்ப இந்த ப்ரீவியஸ் கிளாஸில் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணோம். ஸோ ஒரு பாயிண்ட் சார்ஜ் Q அப்படின்னு ஒரு பாயிண்ட் சார்ஜ் எடுத்துக்கிறேன். அண்ட் இப்போ வேறு ஒரு பாயிண்ட் சார்ஜை இன்ஃபினிட் பொசிஷன்லேருந்து ஐம் கோயிங் டு பிரிங் இட் டு த பாயிண்ட் P. ஸோ அந்த Pன்ற பிளேஸில் ஒரு சார்ஜை வைக்கிறேன். ஸோ இப்போது Qங்கிற சார்ஜு will have an electric field around it, Eன்ற electric field which is felt till the point P, and Qக்கும் Pக்கும் உள்ள distance Rன்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஸோ இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கேன், ஒரு சார்ஜை இன்ஃபினைட் பொசிஷன்லேருந்து Pன்ற பாயிண்ட்டுக்கு கொண்டு வந்து Pயில் ப்ளேஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். இப்போ ஒரு ஒர்க் பண்ணி இந்த இன்ஃபினைட் பாயிண்ட்லேருந்து P கொண்டு வந்து வச்சுருக்கோம் இல்லையா, அந்த ஒர்க் இஸ் ஸ்டோர்ட் as the energy in the charge which is placed at P. This energy stored in the point P is called as the potential energy. ஸோ அந்த பொட்டன்ஷியல் தான் கேல்குலேட் பண்ண போகிறோம். இது எதனால் வந்துச்சு, இட் இஸ் from moving from infinity to P. So it is Vp is equal to integral infinity to P minus E into dr. ஸோ இங்கே Pங்கிற பாயிண்ட் வந்து is at distance R from Q. ஸோ இங்கே distance வந்து R. So instead of P, you can replace it as R. So it is Vp is equal to integral infinity to R minus E into dr, which is equal to, we know that the electric field equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R squared into R cap. This is electric field formula. So let this be equation number 1, this one be equation number 2. I am going to substitute equation number 2 in the 1, which is substitute the E value of the equation 2 in equation 1. So Vp is equal to integral infinity to R. Instead of this E, replace the equation as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So minus as such, minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square into R cap. So this dr as such. So inge R cap into dr is simply dr. So R cap is nothing but the unit, which is unit vector. So unit vector appanale its value is 1. So R cap into dr is nothing but 1 into dr, which is simply dr. So you can write this R cap into dr as dr. Vp is equal to integral infinity to R minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square into dr simply. So we have Vp is equal to integral infinity to R minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square into dr. So in this 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and Q are all constant, bring it outside. So it is Vp is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught in minus also you can take out. So it is minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q. Integral infinity to R 1 by R square into dr. In this 1 by R square can be written as, bring this R square to the numerator, it is 1 by minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q integral infinity to R power minus 2 when you bring to the numerator into dr. So this integration value of integral R power minus 2 is R power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So R power minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 again minus 1. So bring this minus to the numerator, it is minus 1 by R. It is 1 by R power 1, simply 1 by R. So it is minus 1 by R is the integration value now. Integration of R power minus 2 value is minus 1 by R. So instead of this part, write it as minus 1 by R. So it is Vp is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q into minus 1 by R. instead of this minus 1 by r. So it is minus 1 by r, limits up, lower limit infinity, upper limit r. So now substitute the limits in the integration part. So Vp is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q into 1 minus 1 by r. So it is infinity to r. Substitute the upper limit first and then lower limit. So it is Vp is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q into, substitute the upper limit, it is minus 1 by r minus lower limit. So it is minus 1 by infinity. So 1 by infinity is nothing but 0 because infinity is 1 by 0. So substitute that here. Minus 1 by infinity becomes minus 1 by 1 by 0. This 0 will go to the numerator, it becomes 0. So Vp is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q into minus 1 by r minus 0, which is simply minus 1 by r. So minus into minus, it becomes plus. So it is minus. So this minus into minus becomes plus. So it is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q into r, 1 by r, which is simply q by r. Therefore Vp equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by r, which is my electrostatic potential. I hope you have understood.